Modding Payday 2 and discovered PD2 files in the game directory. These are game data files used by Overkill Software's heist shooter for various game assets. I'm Evan Brooks, certified support engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Payday 2 game data files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common PD2. Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. A PD2 file contains essential game data for Payday 2, a popular cooperative first-person shooter developed by Overkill Software. Users typically encounter this file when installing the game, applying updates, or attempting to modify game assets. The primary user intent is to ensure the game runs correctly, or to engage in the modding community. The PD2 format is a proprietary binary container used by the Diesel 2.0 game engine. It bundles various assets like models, textures, and scripts into a single package for efficient loading and to protect game resources from casual tampering. This design optimizes performance by reducing disk I/O during gameplay sessions. For reliable opening, Payday 2 by Overkill Software offers the best solution for PD2. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows cannot preview game assets or data, so specialized tools are needed to work with them. To force the file open, right-click your PD2 file and select Open With. If Payday 2 is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. When your PD2 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the PD2 format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, extracting with Diesel Bundle Viewer. Install Diesel Bundle Viewer or Mod Workshop tools designed for Payday 2 modding. Open the PD2 file or the parent bundle archive in the viewer. The tool displays contained assets in a tree structure, allowing extraction, inspection, and modification of game data for mod development. Next, using BLT Mod Loader. Install the Better Lua injector. BLT Mod Loader for Payday 2, which enables runtime loading of Lua scripts and data modifications. Place modified PD2 or Lua files in the Mod Overrides folder. BLT loads custom data alongside the game's PD2 files, enabling extensive customization without modifying original files. Finally, editing with Hex Editor. For binary PD2 files, use a hex editor like HXD or 010 editor to inspect file structures. With knowledge of the Diesel engine format, you can identify and modify specific values such as weapon stats or game parameters. Always back up original files before editing and test changes carefully in-game. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.